Hey guys, today we have some car comforter seats right here, and it's very comfortable, very while I'm driving, I can just drive and it feels so nice to have. They don't keep the car hot. If it's a hot day, you can sit down, they're really nice to have.
All right, today we're gonna bring some new covers for your seats, and they come in various colors. You could customize them. If you can see, there's 3 pieces for each seat. This is the bottom seat cover we're gonna put in here. This is the top where they're gonna be the actual headrest, and then we got the top of it. All right, the backrest. That's where we're gonna set it up. So we're gonna set it up today and see how it looks. Just make sure you strap these in here. You have to tighten them up in there. They have these buttons so you can open it up from the top. You don't have to remove the actual cover itself, and you could get the headrests on top. All right, unfortunately I couldn't fit this, but it fits very well here, if you guys can see. We have to tie it up a little bit more. I still have these loose, but the cushion, very neat. I like the pockets it has. Very, I like this support, the back support here. And of course we got to bring it down just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna finish them out right now. We're gonna tie them up, and this is how it goes. You have this entrance here that you have open, that you could open it up with the zipper. All right, now this has to be tucked in, and these have to be tied down, and this has to go over the head, and it clips on here, right? So the actual cushion itself, it's made of good quality. Extra cushion in here, so if you have damaged cushions underneath, you got an extra pocket in here. Of course our headrest is a little too large for this one, but we're okay. We're gonna clip it on here, tie it down. A little tight here and there, but you know, it's gonna stretch out throughout time. And these seats covers are awesome if you're gonna have dogs, kids, or anything in the back. You're gonna travel carrying stuff. You don't want to damage your sofa or your seats. And like I said, it doesn't have to come in pink. They have various colors, but this is a great option to have if you want for your back seats right now. And this is how it looks in the back right now. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.